The sixth quadrilateral we shall be looking at today is said to be the trapezium. And the trapezium is a quadrilateral of four sides. I will say it is a pair of opposite sides which are parallel. So this is said to be parallel to this. So it only has a pair of parallel sides. And one of the striking feature of a trapezium is that no side is equal to the other. You don't have two pairs that are equal. So if you look at it, this side may be different from this, and as well as this is different from this. So there are no pair of equal sides. So we shall be looking at how we can construct all these quadrilaterals that I have made mention of. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so, and also follow me on Facebook at my lesson teacher Matt. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take examples on construction of quadrilaterals.